안녕하세요. Today we will learn about the 11 compound vowels. 에, 예, 왜, 워, 위, 의, 와. Did some of the compound vowels sound the same? If your answer is yes, you are correct. These two compound vowels are 에. Next pair are 예. The next three compound vowels are 왜. Then it's 워, 위, 의, 와. We'll start off with these four compound vowels. First is 에. The stroke order is top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom. Instead of giving you the romanization, I will give you an example, 새, meaning bird. Moving on to 에. The stroke order is left to right, top to bottom, top to bottom. A word example is 데이트, meaning date, like you are going on a date. Next is 예. The stroke order is top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom. A word that uses 예 is 얘기, meaning conversation. Next is also 예. The stroke order is left to right, top to bottom, and then top to bottom. A word that uses 예 is 예, meaning yes. I want you to understand the top two and the bottom two are the same sounds. 에, 예. Now moving on to the three 왜s. 왜. Same goes for these three 왜s. Koreans do not really differentiate them. You have to remember and memorize words that use these 왜s. The first 왜 stroke order is top to bottom, left to right, then top to bottom, left to right, then top to bottom. O plus 에 makes 왜. 오왜. Example word is 왜, meaning why. Next 왜, the stroke order is left to right, top to bottom, then left to right, top to bottom, and then another top to bottom. A word that uses this compound vowel is 왜, 이, 부. And the meaning is wave. Did you notice the asterisk next to this 왜? This 왜 with the O and the E does not follow the rule where when you combine it, it makes that sound. O and E makes 왜. It is not 오이, O and the E, 오이. It is 왜. The stroke order is top to bottom, left to right, then top to bottom. An example word is 회사, meaning company. Please remember that there are three 왜s. 왜. Top left is 워. It is 우 and 어 combined. 워. The stroke order is left to right, top to bottom, left to right, and then top to bottom. Example word is 我더 파크. It means water park. Next is we. U plus E makes we. We. The stroke order is left to right, then top to bottom, and then top to bottom. The example word is twee. It means back or behind. Next is 의. And E combined makes 의. The stroke order is left to right, then top to bottom. An example word is 의사. 의사 means doctor. Next is O and A. 와. The stroke order is top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, left to right. Example word is 와인. Wine, meaning wine. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Follow for more content.